Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today I'm gonna make my breakfast. Yeah, it's literally 2 p.m. right now. And let me bring the eggs if there's eggs. Okay, so we got the eggs right now. Let me just drop it in here and pour water in the glass. Just do it. Alright, we just put the eggs in the water. We will leave the egg. Let's see if it's hot. It smells not good. It smells disgusting. Well, I was about to make a white egg, but never mind. Alright, now we have to take out the egg. And clean the bowl, obviously. Okay, so guys, the bowl is clean right now. Let me take out the egg. Okay. Oh. My hands have to be dirty, but it's okay. Okay, the eggs are broken now. Let me clean my hand. Now let me grab a fork. And I'm making breakfast for my brother and sister also. Breakfast for my brother, sister, and me too, because why would I starve to that? This is the egg we are gonna mix. And let me put it and mix it. It's mixing right now. Let me put you guys right here. Oops. Nothing happened at all. Alright. So here is the egg. We are gonna mix. Yep. Let me just mix it even more. It's quiet because my brother and sister wake up, and now my mom and dad are not. Literally. Let me now mix it. Okay, it's perfectly mixed. Now we have to put the fire on. Oh, the fire is on. Okay, now the fire is on. Let me put you guys on the other side that you can see it. Well, now you can see the pan, right? Now to take out the egg. It's my first time making breakfast for my brother and sister. Well, I hope they like it. Okay, when it's cooking, I'm gonna put this pink salt. because my mom bought it. I just want. Okay, that's a bit loud, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, now I have to wait. I have to now wait and pause the video. Alright guys, so I'm back right now. I just paused it that the video could end faster because my brother and sister are hungry. But I did not ask them, but it's okay. Well, the egg is done right now. Let me just turn that off. Alright. Oh, it's okay. I will mix the egg. Because I forgot to mix it and I put the salt. Okay, now we are gonna put the eggs in this bowl because we are gonna use a pan and we could put the bread. And I think this all is enough. Why isn't it getting up? What? Is the egg not getting up? Let me just use the spoon. Okay. If you already know, eggs is scrambled eggs. Oh shit. My hands. Okay, and let me grab that too, and this too. Now I'm gonna clean the pan and pause the video. Okay guys, so I just cleaned the pan and now I need bread. So I'm gonna pause the video and bring the bread. Bread. Well guys, I got the bread. Now I'm gonna put it around the pan. The first one, the second one for my brother, and the first one was my sister's. And the third one is mine. Alright. Okay, it's now done. Let me now put it on. What is this? Okay. Now we have to leave it. That is done. Now I have to clean the things I need to put it and then it's gonna be done. Alright guys, so I got the butter and the honey, peanut butter jelly jam. Okay. Now we have to stop the fire because we have to rotate it and put the third one to the first one. Alright. Alright. It's almost done. Now it's done. Let me now put this on. It's on. Now we have to leave it for a couple of seconds and then it will be done. And yeah, you see this bee? It was in my dream and I was like literally scared. And that was the worst dream I had ever had. And well, when it's cooking, I'm gonna pause the video because no wasting time. Well guys, I'm back and I got the bread is now cooked. And yeah, Now I'm gonna put the egg. Now the egg, I'm gonna put the bread and honey. That would be even more better. Use the bread and honey. Not bread and honey. What was it again? It's okay, then just put this there. What is this? But it's only a little bit left. No time to waste. Make breakfast for my siblings and my twin sister, because my sister is like 7 years old and me too. Okay, the first one is done for my sister. Now my little brother. Alright, now my brother's one is done. I think all of this will be enough for mine. Well, yeah, I think it's gonna be enough. It's finished and I have a little bit, but it's okay, it's okay. Now the honey. What is happening today? I'm dropping everything. Like I just dropped the phone, but there's no cracks. At least the phone is okay. If it was not, I would have been just dead. Yeah. My sister's one is done, and my little brother. Alright, that will be enough for my little brother. Let me check the time. We only have 2 minutes left in the video. I have to hurry up. Okay, this will be enough for mine. Alright, now that's done. Now I'm gonna put the egg, but pause the video because I have a little bit of time. Okay guys, so the sandwich is done right now and the video ends right here because I have to leave the breakfast for my brother and sister. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe button. So meet me at the next video. Peace.